This isn't a real picture. I made it on ChatGPT. I took this ring and I put it on that AI model. I created the entire thing in ChatGPT. As we know, one-to-one replications of jewelry and fashion are some of the hardest things to do using AI generation. I mean, I normally use Midjourney for a lot of my things, but I wanted to test out if ChatGPT can do it. And as you can see, we still have a little way to go, but we're getting way closer. Let me show you what I did. First thing, I took the image, inputted it into ChatGPT, and told it that I wanted it on a model in a certain aesthetic. I decided to choose a bonbon dark tone aesthetic. And here are the first results. As you can see, the text on the ring is giving gobbledygook, but the image itself looks pretty good. Now, keep in mind, if you're someone like me who's doing this for clients or collaborations, or you need a ton of art direction, brand direction, ChatGPT still may not be the best fit for you because you can only generate one image at a time, and each image sometimes takes 2 to 3 minutes. It takes forever. But I prefer to use it instead of using it from scratch to use it for editing. But then I asked it to match the words more correctly, and you see we got a little bit closer and kept the image the same. Then I asked it to add in the second ring, and the generation stalled out. This is something that happens a lot. It'll say I can't generate, or something might happen and you have to ask it to regenerate it again. Very similar to the original like ChatGPT prompts. I'm sure this will be fixed in a few months. But then this happened, which I thought was really interesting. It said that it got an error, and it asked me to rephrase it. And one thing that you cannot do in Midjourney is that you can talk to ChatGPT through this image generation process. So I said, I'm not sure how to rephrase in order for it to not get that error. So then it broke it down for me, which was really cool. And then I asked it, hey, do you do better with full length descriptive prompts similar to Midjourney? And then it said, yes, absolutely, which I didn't think it needed the exact same prompt and structure that Midjourney does, but now I know. And then it even showed me if I do that, that will work, but it's going to miss a bunch of things. But if I do more of a Midjourney style prompt, you're going to get a better result. So FYI. So then it asked me if I want another shot. I'm talking to it and telling it to keep the exact same vibes. Then it added on the ring. As you can see, it changed the image. I let it know I didn't want to change the image, and the ring looks a little bit wonky, right? So I re-uploaded all of the images, and now we got back the original image, but now we're still dealing with some of the same issues. I discovered what some of those issues are by asking ChatGPT certain things. I'll talk about this more in my course. Those of you that are my course takers who have already taken the course, I'm going to be uploading new lessons due to this like giant explosion in the tech. I'm going to be uploading new lessons because I'm doing a rebrand and launching at the end of the month. So the 50% off that I'm doing is going to be ending at the end of the month, but I'm going to be adding new lessons about ChatGPT, using that for AI image generation into the course. So I got it to generate the images, replicate them separately. Now the ring looks really good. The second ring looks so much better. And then you see the same results. And I told it, I was like, we're running into some of the same issues that we had last time. And it recognized that. But I think that's essentially where I ended that's where my test ended for now. I'm going to keep working on it. Sometimes these things takes hours. Because like I said, you can only generate one image at a time, and it takes a while with the images. But I'm going to keep working on this for you guys so that way we can like crack the code of getting super realistic jewelry and fashion. Guys, I'm so excited for this.